I'm construction girl today. No real estate. I'm done with real estate for the day, and I need to get some stuff done up here in this apartment that I'm renovating. But I wanted to talk really quickly about something that has come up multiple times this week, and that is public sewer. So not a septic system, but being hooked up to public sewer, and when public sewer actually becomes a homeowner's responsibility. So a lot of people shy away from private septic because they don't want the responsibility of having to maintain a septic system, and also the cost that can be associated with the maintenance and replacement of a private septic system. But what people don't realize, and we just talked about this last night at a showing, is that a lot of people don't realize that the line from your house to where it actually attaches to the public sewer system is your responsibility as a homeowner. And in 13 years of real estate, in hundreds of transactions, I've only twice had buyers that had that inspected. Now you can, as a buyer, have public sewer inspected, and what they do is they come from the house and they snake a camera out and find where it attaches to the public system. They can tell you how long that line is, which is good to know, because if you ever do have to replace it, it's a lot of excavation, it's a lot of pipe. And then they can also tell you, if there are any obstructions or whatever. It's really important, and we're kind of getting into this season of real estate where house prices are so high and sellers are still pretty adamant about getting those, sky high prices for their homes, that I think we're going to see more buyers doing things like this too, like scoping public septic systems, public sewer lines. Whatever. I'm going to go do some construction-like things for the rest of my day-to-day. You can feel free to send me a message. If you haven't seen about the contest that I'm having on my page, please go to my Facebook business page and enter that. It's really easy, and I really want to see somebody win a ton of money. Honestly, that's all that I want. But please feel free to send me a message anytime if you've got questions about anything inspection related, house related, or value related. Have a great day. Let's see if I can turn this thing off.